Today we are making a melt in your mouth meringue treat. Crisp on the outside, light and airy on the inside. Let's get started. Start with 227 grams of egg whites in your mixing bowl. 454 grams of sugar, add them in parts. Whisk it on high speed. Once it becomes frothy, it is time to add other ingredients. 5 grams of vanilla paste, cream of tartar. This helps the egg whites to stabilize and preventing it from deflating. Adding the sugar in stages gives the egg whites time to build a stable form. If you add it all at once, the meringue will feel gritty and it will collapse. To check if your meringue is ready, it should be smooth, glossy, and hold stiff peaks that stand tall without collapsing. Or if you're feeling confident, flip the bowl upside down. If the meringue is stiff and stable, it won't budge. Now you can use this meringue as a base for cakes or pipe it into shapes for a sweet treat. In this video, we are turning it into a treat. Bake in the preheated oven at 120 Celsius for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours until the meringue are crisp and dry all the way through. Once they are done baking, remove the meringues from the oven and immediately store them in an airtight container. You'll know when they're ready when they lift off the baking paper easily without sticking. That means they're perfectly dry. If they still stick, return them to the oven to dry a bit more. Enjoy!